All right, last one.
Hank the Tank, a 500-pound black bear, is wanted for ravaging California homes. Yeah, this story is unbelievable.
Did you hear about this?
He's out looking for food, right?
Yeah.
500 pounds.
You still can't find him.
God. That's
still
a
can't
big
find him.
bear.
The black bear has broken into dozens of homes in the Lake Tahoe area while scavenging for food. They love to scavenge for the food, Mo.
They're hungry.
Well, if you're 500 pounds,
Can we see a video of this?
the black bear... here we go. Hank the Tank, 500 pounds. The black bear population has exploded in recent years, tripling in size over the last 3 decades. That, coupled with the fact that wildfires have destroyed their natural habitat, prompted the animals to go into people's homes, cars, and garbage cans in quest for food. It's just break and enter. You think your house got broken into, it's Hank the Tank.
It's Hank the Tank.
It might be worse. You see him hanging out in there. I don't know.
He looks burly.
Wow,
He's a big boy.
He figured out how to break
Look
it in.
how big he is.
Whoa.
Like
He just
rotund.
He's going to eat the whole kitchen, man. He figured out how to break in. And now he eats what he wants, man. He gets into the cereal. He gets into the fridge. He gets into the crackers.
No one's able to spot him
You can't shut him
and
down.
No.
take him down. He's just roaming around.
Man, you need a lot of tranquilizer to take down
Right.
Hank the Tank.
I like his name.
Yeah. That
people-
video right there was taken on a security camera on Balboa Drive in the Tahoe Keys this past Thursday afternoon, obviously. This is the world-renowned Hank. I mean, you can't miss him. He's such a tank.
But apparently people can't catch him.
He figured out how to operate car doors and get in after food that's in the car. They figured out how to work French doors to get into houses. And one bear was even seen teaching her cubs how to get into doors as well. Smart. And the thing is, you encounter this one, maybe a thief just goes running. You encounter this guy. Maybe he doesn't go running. You know what I mean? Maybe he's not backing down.
No.
Maybe he's standing there saying, hey, I'm Hank the Tank. I take what I want.
I don't think he's going to back down. He's
He
winning that
speaks
fight.
English?
Yeah, Hank the Tank says, you see the French door back there? It's no problem for me. I
taught my kids even.
I taught all the cubs. I taught the wife. And hostage situation update. Do you have anything newer? Click on latest instead of top. Any updates on the hostage situation? No, we have reposts of clips. Keep going. Okay, it's nighttime now. Gunman takes hostages. Dutch police say some have been able to leave the store. Where one man took hostage, several people have been able to leave. So he's letting some people out, which is a good sign.
Yeah.
But if you've ever seen the movies, which everything we know about reality comes from the movies, right, Mo?
This is tense.
Then
This is tense.
I think we need Spider-Man, or I
They
don't know.
need Samuel L.
Avengers.
Jackson as a negotiator.
Sam Jackson. They got
Or Al
get
Pacino.
Sam Jackson in there. Hopefully it all goes well.
Yeah.
And everybody gets out safe. And thank you to everybody who joined us on this show. As usual, that's another one in the books.
Another day.
Another one bites the dust. And thank you to Mo. Thank you to Will. And we'll see you. I think we might see you tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to see
Every
you tomorrow.
day.
We're going to see you tomorrow. We're going to see you tomorrow.